Finance Fest is an event which gives an opportunity for students to meet the practitioners from industry and listen to their views, thoughts, and experience that they have encountered during their finance careers.
Best thing about the Finance Fest is meeting the young people, the students. It's about giving as far as I'm concerned. It's about my knowledge being transmitted down intergenerationally, and I hope that my input to the young people and the students at WBS will help them on the career path they choose and lead on to greater and greater things for them.
I think it's amazing. I wish we'd had this when I was at uni, and I wish I'd done things like this in first years. It's incredible to see 320 super engaged students on a Saturday, and you learn so much insider knowledge about different industries or what it would take to work in different fields. So this is incredible. The students are really lucky.
I delivered a session today on investment banking for all candidates, covering first years, second years, third years, postgrad and then MBA. We went through the different divisions of investment banking and also the different skill sets required for each division, so that hopefully a good match on what you're applying for, rather than end up in something that you don't actually like when you get there. It's tough to know what you want to do, but I think this should make you make a more informed choice than this time last week.
So we're going to be doing an M&A bootcamp where the students are going to be doing a deal. So they're going to be buying a company, they're going to be putting an offer in. I hope that I can really give them some tools, some insight. I want to be totally honest about what it's like. And secondly, for those who may realize through the session that it's not for them, knowing what you don't want to do is going to save you, 2 years of your life down the line.
Today I've been learning a lot about the different divisions in an investment bank, but it really gave some information I didn't had before, and also it was a good opportunity to network with other people, not only in my master but also in other master classes.
I have enjoyed it a lot. You get so much information in one day, and the lectures were actually really interesting, especially the M&A session, which was very interactive. So lots of fun.
I think WBS is one of the greatest places to study finance, because there are students to professors with first-class knowledge and first-class campus opportunities and facilities.
WBS is a great place to study finance because of these values, because of these people, and because you can learn and explore a lot about the business world.